Exciting changes are happening at Dahmer Cadillac of Kansas City as we undergo a major renovation to build a brand new showroom and expanded service drive to better serve you. While we are under construction, we are still open for new and pre-owned sales and certified service. Here's a guide on how you can easily drop off your vehicle for service during this construction phase. When you arrive to our dealership, you will see many signs pointing you to go forward and then take a left for service. The first building will be our used car building. You'll want to pass that and keep going. If you get lost, one of our representatives will be outside under a tent to answer questions and help assist with directions. To drop off your vehicle, keep going to the next building where you will see a gold sign that says "Stop Here." You will be greeted by one of our friendly service advisors who will assist you with check-in. If they are assisting other customers, feel free to walk into the building and check in with the next available advisor. While your vehicle is in service, we have a separate customer lounge with plenty of seating, television, a kids' play area, and tables and chairs for a functional workspace. Conveniently located right outside of the customer lounge are the bathrooms. We are building something amazing in order to better serve you, and we can't wait to share it with you. Thank you so much for your patience and continued trust in Dahmer Cadillac of Kansas City. We can't wait to see you soon.